doing a butterfly.
Oh, he's hightailing it here.
Grandma, how are we doing a butterfly?